Have you ever set a goal, one that filled you with excitement, only to find yourself losing motivation? Days pass, weeks go by, and soon the fire that once burned bright turns into mere embers, and then one day you abandon it completely. Why does this happen? Why do we fail to reach our goals, despite our best intentions? Come, sit with me. Let us reflect. The truth is, failure is rarely about lack of talent or intelligence. More often, it is about the small battles lost in the mind long before the war is even fought. There are 3 reasons why people fail to achieve their goals, and today I will share them with you, not as rules, but as lessons from my own journey. Motivation is a beautiful feeling, but it is fleeting, like morning mist that disappears when the sun rises. You do not fail because you lack motivation, you fail because you rely on it. Instead of chasing motivation, cultivate discipline. Think of the river. It does not flow because it feels inspired. It moves because it must. Make your actions a habit, a necessity, not a choice based on how you feel in the moment. Many do not fail because they lack skill, but because they are afraid to be imperfect. They hesitate, waiting for the right moment, the perfect plan. But perfection is a prison, and waiting is its lock. A tree does not wait for the perfect season to grow. It simply grows. Your first step will not be perfect, and that is exactly why it is valuable. Walk forward, even if it is imperfect. Perfection is not a requirement, it is a result. Many people fail not because they are incapable, but because they carry the weight of yesterday's mistakes. They let their past define their future. But tell me, if you wish to climb a mountain, will you reach the top by holding on to heavy stones? Let go. Learn from the past, but do not live in it. Every day is a new page, but you cannot write a new story if you are still reading the old one. You are not failing because you lack ability. You are failing because you are still waiting for motivation. You are still chasing perfection. You are still clinging to the past. Let go of these illusions and you will find that success is not a distant dream. It is simply the result of consistent action. The journey is yours, but the choice is made right now. Go. Take one step and then another. I will be here when you return. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you wish to walk this path of wisdom together, subscribe. Until we meet again, walk with purpose, live with presence. Follow for more mindful lessons. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook at Monk Wisdom. Remember, success is not about waiting, it's about starting. Take your first step today.